Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. When those other two videos were loading, I was playing around with Eskimos, and there will be a link to this one. This macro is called space between centers. And you could do this mathematically and figure things out, but this is so quick. Of course, you wouldn't have to measure with the parallel dimension tool, but I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going from the midpoint to the midpoint, and from the midpoint to the midpoint. And let's say we want them all 15 inches apart. And you can go left to right or right to left. That's meaning we're going to leave this one as an anchor, and they're going to spread out to 15 inches between the centers going that direction. That's pretty cool, pretty fast. You know, if you were doing something, you had to have, 15 inches between the centers. And if you knew that there were 5 inch, you could actually figure out, what it is between actually the pieces. I use this 2-point line instead of the parallel dimension tool. And you can see it's 10 inches, but from the center to the center, it's 15 inches. That's pretty cool. And you could do that, like I said, left to right. Let's mess these up a little bit. Bring them in, hold down the control button so they're on the same, basically the same plane. Now this time we're going to do it, I'm going to hit T and put them all the same. This time we're going to go left to right. So this is going to be our anchor one. So let's get the parallel dimension tool and go from that. Well, we could actually go from the center to the center, from the center to the center, from the center to the center. And we see we have them all different. So just select them all. And now I want them 15 inches apart, but I want the right one to be my anchor, so they went left. That's a pretty cool, pretty fast macro. I'll leave a link to this macro at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.